In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to an email using Gmail. Imagine you've just received an email that requires a prompt response. Whether it's for work, a personal matter, or perhaps just catching up with an old friend, replying through Gmail is a straightforward process. Today, we'll walk through the steps to ensure your reply is sent out accurately and efficiently. Firstly, let's navigate to your Gmail inbox. This is your gateway to all the emails you've received. You can access your inbox by going to Gmail's homepage. Once you're there, you'll find yourself looking at a list of emails. These are the conversations and messages that have been sent to you. Now, to respond to a specific email, you'll need to select it from your inbox, scroll through your emails, or use the search bar to find the particular email you wish to reply to. Clicking on this email will open the conversation, allowing you to read through and review the message or messages that have been sent. After reviewing the email and deciding that a reply is in order, it's time to compose your response. To do this, look for the reply icon. This icon is typically found at the top of the email's thread, symbolizing a curved arrow pointing left. Clicking on this icon opens a text box right below the email you're responding to. This ensures that your response is directly linked to the specific message within the conversation, keeping your communication organized and easy to follow. With the reply box open, it's time to craft your message. This is where you type your response. Whether it's a few words, several paragraphs, or perhaps an attachment, this is your space to communicate. Take your time to write your reply, keeping it clear and to the point. If you need to, you can format your reply by adding bold or italic text, inserting links, or even including emojis to convey your tone more effectively. Once your message is composed and you're ready to send it, the next step is straightforward. Click on the send button. This button is usually located in the lower left corner of the reply box. Pressing this sends your reply on its way to the recipient, closing the loop on this particular communication. But wait, did you notice something in the last two steps? Yes, the send action was mentioned twice. This repetition is to emphasize the importance of this final step. It's crucial because no matter how well written your reply may be, it won't reach the recipient until you hit that send button. So, double check your message for any last minute edits or additions, then confidently send your email on its way. Let's touch on a few tips to ensure your email communication is as effective as possible. Always proofread your reply before sending it. This helps avoid misunderstandings and ensures clarity. Also, consider the tone of your message. Email doesn't convey tone the way face-to-face conversation does, so choose your words carefully. Lastly, if your reply requires more time to craft than you currently have, it's a good practice to send a quick response, letting the sender know you've received their message and will reply in detail soon. This acknowledgement is especially appreciated in professional settings. Replying to an email in Gmail is a simple yet essential task we often take for granted. By following the steps we've covered today, you'll ensure that your replies are not only sent correctly, but are also clear and thoughtful. Managing email may seem mundane, but it's these little efficiencies that can make your communication smoother, more effective, and decidedly more professional. That wraps up our tutorial on replying to an email using Gmail. By now you should feel confident in navigating your inbox, selecting an email to respond to, crafting a thoughtful reply and sending it off. Remember, whether it's a quick response or a detailed message, your communication is key in maintaining connections and keeping your inbox under control. Thank you for joining me and happy emailing.